Okay, hey guys, I got 3 packs here from Dollar Tree. Sorry for the kind of awkward setup. I'm trying my best to do an okay. I don't know, I'm trying new things, and it's not really working out the best. So, okay, first pack. There's a Mewtwo, I think at E. Now there's only 3 packs in these. There's only 3 cards in these. Let me get this open. Okay, these are hard to. Okay. Now you can weigh these. I got. Let's see here. Focus. Sandshrew. Meowth. Ursaring. Nothing good. I don't think I'm too confident in these. Not at all. There's a Remoraid, an Axew, and a reserve ticket. Yeah, I'm not feeling too. I told you guys that I'd do at least 1 video a week, so that's what I'm here to do. Noibat, Simisear, and Supa. Nope, nothing good. Maybe next time. Yeah, sorry, this was a kind of short video, but I kind of like that art. Where's that Pokemon from? Yeah, basically they just throw in random cards from different sets. I kind of like that too. But yeah, maybe next time. Okay, we'll see you guys later.